Hello, in this tutorial we talk about how we can find second highest or second lowest in a range. We can find first highest and first lowest with ta.highest and ta.lowest function. Ta.highest. This is highest value. But how we can find second highest, not the first highest? For example, here, from here until here, we have one high here. This is our first high, and this is our second high. Okay, we have two highs. This is our first high, this is our second high. How we can find this one? How we can determine, how we can select, how we can mark this high, second high. Also same for low. Okay, I talk about high and you will see, and you can practice for low. Okay, I show you. Let's say first I remove the line. Okay, first to determine a range, we use here an input time, and we set confirm as a true here. Confirm this cause when we add it to chart. Here it asks us to set range. So here, for example, I set range from here. Okay, and here easily I can change range. Okay, and I delete this. Okay, and if I say if time is equal to a start, so draw a line. This is our line. So this line helps us to change our range, and our range is when our time is after that start time. If our time is after that start time or equal to start time, this is our range. So here we draw a line, this white line. Okay, so what we need first highest, and also we need second highest, and also we need line. We want to show it by line. So here we define it, and here we write line and set it at none. Okay, so here we have highest value and also highest line. Here when our time is equal to a start, we set our high. We can also set our low. Okay, for lowest, find lowest. What I know, show highest. We set highest as high. So here, now our highest is here. Is same with this candle. Okay, we say if we are in range, if we are in our range, if highest, if high is higher than highest, so our highest is now new high, and our second highest is previous. We should set it here. Okay, so how we can show this by line? So here we write, here first we write highest line equal to line dot new bar index, high bar index, yeah, high. Here bar index, for example, to 10 with length 10. Color, we set color as color dot red, width as 2. This is our highest. When we have new highest, first we here we write sec highest line equal to line that new. Order is important here. Okay, if for example first we assign this highest as high, then we cannot say sec highest and highest. It will be same value. So first we should give value to sec highest from our old highest, then we give to our highest new high. Okay, so order is important here. Okay, line that new bar index, not bar index, this is second high. Second high is this highest, so we use this info. We use bar index equal to highest dot highest line dot get x1, and this is bar x1, bar index 2, highest number x2, and y2 highest line dot get y2 and y1 is same. So if we have a line, it give us first bar index, second bar index, and also our y, our high. Okay, so here we write this bar index 1, y2, bar index 2, y and y2, and color can be color dot orange, and our width will be 2, and no we delete highest line, and then again here we define new highest line, and we say like this, but here we write highest, or we can write high. It's not different, but to make it more standard. So when I also here we delete our second line if there is. Okay, as you see, this is our first one and this is our second one, but here we have a second line too. Can you see? So we say, okay, so here, because there isn't any new high here, but there is a high here, so here we have. So what we can do, we say here if high equal to, so here we should say if high higher than second highest, so first sec highest dot delete and no sec highest dot line. We delete all line and no, yeah, we use this as bar index because it's only higher than second line, not first highest line. It's only on second highest line, higher than, so we don't use information of highest line. Here we use highest, no, yeah, we use high. Also here we assign sec highest as high, and so here bar index plus 10 and high, or sec high or sec highest, no different. So okay, so what happened here? Only we have this. Oh, okay, and high is not equal to highest. Okay, so now as you see, this is our highest candle and this is our second highest candle. You can write same for lowest and second lowest.